What's up, snipers? Stock Sniper Mike back again with another weekly Watchers Watch. New day, new week, new month, new slate. Whatever happened to you last month, we got to put that in the past, and we just got to learn from it and get better. Let's make the month of March our best year of 2023. I'm coming in hot, literally, with the sunburn from being on the boat yesterday with the snipers, but time to get back to work. Today, I'm going to bring you into our app under Stock Snipers that's available on the Google Play and Apple App Store, and that's where you'll be able to find this watch list every single Monday morning. We also release it at 6 p.m. Eastern on YouTube for everyone else. So if you dive into the app, we want to make sure you log yourself in. And once you get logged in, you'll see the guy with the binoculars. And that is our weekly Watchers watch list. If you want to get in debt, we'll click on that watch list tab and we'll see. The snipers create 2 watch lists a day. One in the morning, one in the afternoon, as well as this bonus weekly Watchers watch list every Monday morning. So when we click on that, we'll see the stocks that we are eyeing down with the sniper pattern next to them. I'm going to go over these stocks with key support levels and resistance levels that I want you guys to pick up on. And I don't want you to just buy all these stocks. The idea is to go out and attack them when they hold their supports and break certain resistance levels. Now, the stock snipers have made most of our money in OTC stocks, so we always talk about OTCs first. But listed stocks have been very generous, especially last week with HLBZ and MULN making us just about 2.5K. So we will be talking about listed stocks as well. But like I said, let's start off with OTC stocks. And let's come in hot. OTC stock INND is one that definitely looks like it wants to heat up. It made 0062 month highs last week, and now it's consolidating above 005. As long as it holds 005, now that's a half penny, literally cutting a penny in half. We're looking for it to break that 0062 area and go back to the races. This is a former runner, and it knows how to spike. GDVM is another one of those former runners that we know knows how to spike, but this created a big push down all the way from 1398, all the way from the 1352-week high area back down to 07 long-term support. 07 long-term support has been holding for a week, but now we want to see one of two things happen. It come back above 8 cents and it makes a first green day, or it panics below 7 cents and it comes closer to that 3.8 cent long-term support. This next one was a huge runner, and shout out to all the snipers that tagged a bag on NLST last week. This ran from 220 all the way up to 286 multi-month highs, and now it's consolidating. Let's see where it consolidates. I like this stock a lot if it can continue to hold that 230 breakout spot. So if it settles for 1 or 2 more days, and then breaks back out, that would be an ideal situation, very similar to what ABML did this week. AVCTQ is a fairly new bankrupt company. When you have the Q at the end of the 5th letter on your stock, that means you are a bankrupt company. This stock looks like it wants to make 52-week highs because it's hanging out between $1 and $1.14 52-week highs. If it holds $1, we'll be looking for that breakout back above 114. RECHF is another slower moving penny stock, but one that's coming up to multi-month highs. 40 cents is a multi-month breakout, pretty much an all-time breakout with the ugly wick that we have here. So if we can get a push past 40 cents, we'll look for the hold and continue to run. DPLS is one we made a bag off of 2 weeks ago, and we're looking to attack it again. Usually we say what goes around comes back around, and it's like that with this stock. This stock came all the way back down to 0048 long-term support. Now we're looking for it to get that push all the way back up to 006 first green day. The next two, and as well as that last one I just talked about, were ones that bled over from last weekly Watchers. So didn't quite make the move, but didn't panic yet. That's ENZC. Can ENZC create the first green day we're looking for this week? We will see. NWBO is another one, a stock that we've been watching for a while, consolidating for 3 weeks in the same spot. So really not interested in it unless it makes a move above 70 cents or below 60. CEOS is another stock that's been consolidating for about a month now, right below that 52-week high level. So between about 7 cents and 9 cents, we're holding a spot, holding a spot, holding a spot. If it gets above 8, we like that move, and then we're going to be looking for it to continue to push to 977 52-week breakouts. And the last OTC stock is a pump and dump. The pump and dumps are great because they fall so quick that you usually can take advantage of a quick bounce. And that's what we're looking for here. TGIDW, 8 straight red days, all the way from $1.45 down to 38-cent 52-week lows, and now we just want to see it create a support at 40 cents. If it holds 40 cents, we'll look for the bounce first green day this week. And that's our OTC stocks. If you're a listed person, here is your list. The first one is IMPP. This is an oil-related stock that's been on a downtrend for 11 straight days, all the way from 38 cents down to 19-cent 52-week low. We're looking for that final momentum shift and the red to green move on IMPP to take advantage of a pop back above a possible 20-cent breakout. BuzzFeed is the next one we've been eyeing down. This one we actually took over the weekend. So we bought it on Friday afternoon, and we actually sold it early Monday morning, actually pre-market right before we made this video. So 7 a.m., it gapped up 10 cents. We were happy with the 10 cents. We'll take the bag. So we took this BuzzFeed bag, but we're still eyeing it down to hold the $1.50 and then continue its run after multiple downward days, 9 straight downward days. BBBY is another one of those meme stocks out. BBBY is another one of those stocks we've been eyeing down. Multiple red days and now trying to turn around. This is the meme stock, Bed Bath & Beyond. Everyone knows about closing stores around in a lot of different places, but the stock's still around. They did come out with an offering, and that's why they've been falling so much, but they are due for a first green day, and that's what we're looking for. This one definitely is going to be one we play this week if it creates the first red day. We're eyeing this one down, ready to snipe this if it creates one more green day. This is a higher price listed stock, a slower moving one, but it's got 7 straight green days, all the way from $29.70 all the way up to $48.40, and $50 is key resistance levels. As long as it could double top or at least show some sort of resistance up by 50, we're looking to short HY to bring it back down to at least $40 or below there. The next two are the two stocks that we made great bags on last week. So shout out to both these EV penny stocks, MULN and HLBZ. We don't want to take them off the radar because we know how they move, and they dipped back below the spots that we were able to buy and sell them. MULN is the first one we're looking at. This is an EV stock that's coming down to 21-cent long-term support from 39 cents, and it's been holding 21 cents for a couple days. As long as it continues to hold, we'll look for that first green day push, and usually the first green days are big squeezes, just like HLBZ did last week. When it created that first green day, off 11 cents, it spiked all the way to 19 cents. So pretty much 100% mover overnight, and we were a part of it. Shout out to all the snipers that took advantage of that HLBZ move. Now let's see if we could take advantage of it again. If it consolidates above 135, we'll look for that first green day curl, and we'll be looking to tag another bag on HLBZ. Now that is our weekly watchers watch list. That is 16 new opportunities for us to tag a bag on together. The whole goal of why we created this community was let's get rich together. Let's find winners, let's snipe them, let's profit, and let's repeat it. Learn, profit, repeat. That's why it's our motto. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this, and I'll be back here next week with another weekly watchers watch list. Stock Sniper Mike, out.